In this video, I'm going to showcase one of the most precise buy-sell strategies available on TradingView. This strategy uses just two free indicators. We'll go over the exact conditions for entering trades with this strategy. If you get value from this video, don't forget to drop a like. Let's dive in. The core indicator in this strategy is the optimized trend tracker oscillator. To add it to your chart, head over to TradingView and switch to the 1 hour time frame for GBP JPY. But don't worry, you're not restricted to this. This strategy works on any trading asset and any time frame. Now, click on Indicators, search for Optimized Trend Tracker Oscillator and select this one. The Optimized Trend Tracker Oscillator is a trend indicator designed for short-term trend identification. As you can see, it has a simple structure. The key component is the trend cloud, which shifts between red and green. If you look closely, you'll notice that this cloud is actually sandwiched between two lines. Opening the settings panel, we see that the red line at the bottom is labeled HT, which stands for High Optimized Trend Tracker, while the blue line at the top is called LOT, which is referring to Low Optimized Trend Tracker. For the strategy we're using here, we won't need these lines, so let's go ahead and disable them. This indicator also generates buy and sell labels to signal trend shifts between bullish and bearish. When a sell label appears, the trend shifts from bullish to bearish, and the cloud turns red. This is where you should be looking for short entries. On the other hand, when a buy label is printed, the trend shifts from bearish to bullish, and the cloud turns green, signaling long trade opportunities. But of course, like any standalone indicator, relying on this alone will drain your account. I just have to put that out there. To transform this from a losing strategy into a winning one, and let's say a good one, we need to add another indicator to filter out most of the false signals. But before we get into that, I want to introduce you to my trading family at Bybit. I'm handing you over to my dear friend, Michael.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Now back to the strategy. Open the Indicator Search tab and look for one of the most widely used TradingView indicators, Super Trend. Select this one by this amazing author. The Super Trend indicator is one of the most popular ATR-based trend indicators, and we'll be using it to confirm trends. It works similarly to the first indicator because it also features a trend ribbon and buy-sell signals. A green ribbon or cloud means the trend is bullish, while a red one signals a bearish trend. Open the Super Trend settings and turn off the buy and sell labels since we won't be using them. Then click OK. Now at this point, you're probably wondering how exactly do we use these two indicators together to enter trades. Don't worry, I got you. This strategy is incredibly simple, one of the easiest I've come across. To take a long trade, wait for the first indicator to print a buy signal when the Super Trend indicator is green. Once both conditions are met, enter a long trade. Place your stop loss just below the Super Trend cloud and set your take profit at 1.5 times your risk. Let the trade run, and as you can see, it worked out profitably. The logic behind this setup is that the buy signal indicates the start of a short-term bullish momentum, while the green super trend confirms that the overall market trend is also bullish. Combining both increases the likelihood of success. For short trades, we simply do the opposite. Look for a sell signal from the first indicator while the super trend indicator is red. A red super trend means the market is in a downtrend. Enter a short trade, place your stop loss above the most recent swing high, and set your take profit at 1.5 times your risk. As you can see, this trade turned out profitable as well. Now, keep in mind, this isn't a foolproof strategy. Don't go backtesting this expecting to become a millionaire in the next 2 months. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use indicators as extra confirmations for an existing strategy. For example, if you already trade a breakout and retest strategy, and if you don't have that, you can just check it out on my channel. I have plenty of them, where you enter trades when the price breaks and retest the key market levels. You can integrate these indicators like this. Ensure both indicators are showing green before entering a buy trade. Here's an example. This was a resistance level. Price broke above it, then retested. The optimized trend tracker was green, and the super trend was also green. This increased the chances of a profitable trade. If we entered here, place our stop loss below the swing low and aim for a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio, this trade would have worked out well. The key takeaway is that indicators should be used as additional confirmations, not as the sole basis for your trades. Price action should always come first. And if you're looking for a way to completely automate any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot with alerts, all for free, make sure to check out the top recommended videos on left and right, and believe me, you will get back to me and thank me for them. And also make sure to check the other recommended videos on the bottom left and right, and believe me, you will love them. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.